Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on HP Victus 16. In order to split the screen, open at least 2 but up to 4 apps. I'm gonna open 2 windows of the same app, but of course you can open different apps. And now just start moving the app like by holding on the top bar, and you split it. You can either move it all the way to the left and release, then select the other one on the right, or move it all the way to the right or to a corner, so it'll take up a corner, or all the way up to put it on full screen, or all the way up to see this bar, and then you can select where to put it in. Then the other one, app can be also adjusted the same way. You can open different ones as I've mentioned earlier. Then you can also resize them like that, so I'll just resize everything. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.